Before buying an alternative drone, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but real buyers are definitely talking about it. Affordability doesn't always mean a loss in quality. Let's uncover some amazing alternatives to DJI drones that still deliver top-notch performance.
Product number 1, DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K immediately grabs your attention with its sleek design and promise of cinematic quality at an affordable price of $299. If you want stunning aerial footage without the hassle of registration, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this drone stands out. With its 4K Ultra HD camera and a 3-axis gimbal, you can capture crystal clear 4K footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Imagine being able to zoom in and identify a face from 30 feet away. That's what 4K brings to your shots. Plus, the battery life of up to 31 minutes means you won't constantly be worrying about recharging after just a few minutes of flying. That's a game changer for long shoots. Now, some users mentioned issues with the DJI Fly app being unavailable on Google Play, which can be frustrating. Here's the thing though, once you download it from the official website, the experience is smooth, and it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to capture beautiful footage without the complexity. Skip this one if you need advanced features for professional photography, but for the price, it offers excellent value. Now, if the Mini 4K's app issue bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginner-friendly features. Product number 2, DJI Mini 3 DJI RC, which is a fantastic option if you want lightweight portability and an impressive 4K HDR video option. It usually hovers around a similar price point, making it quite appealing. If you're after easy-to-share vertical videos for social media, this is definitely worth a serious look. What's great about this drone is its 10-kilometer HD video transmission and 38 minutes of flight time. That means you can fly far and long, capturing those breathtaking shots from up high without worrying about losing signal. Plus, the vertical shooting feature is a game changer for anyone looking to capture tall landmarks or stunning landscapes. Now, a few users have complained about the drone's weight when using the larger battery, which can lead to registration requirements. But if you stick with the standard battery, you'll be fine, and it still delivers exceptional performance for the price. This is perfect for you if you enjoy capturing events or travel in vertical formats. Skip this one if you're not interested in sharing on social media, or if you want a heavier duty drone for more complex shots. It's a solid pick for casual users. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more immersive flying experience.
Product number 3, DJI Mini 3 Standard. The DJI Mini 3 is back on our list, but this time as a more budget-friendly version that also offers stunning 4K capabilities. Priced at $299, it's an excellent choice if you want the same features found in the Mini 3 DJI RC without the extra frills. If you need a reliable, straightforward drone, this is worth a serious look. With the same impressive 38-minute flight time and level 5 wind resistance, it can handle various conditions while giving you that smooth 4K footage. Plus, the intelligent features make it super easy for beginners to operate. The Quick Shots feature lets you capture awesome aerial maneuvers with just a tap, which is perfect for those spontaneous moments. However, some users have pointed out that it lacks advanced controls compared to pricier models, which can limit creativity. But honestly, if you're just starting out or want something that's easy to use, that shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or casual flyer looking for a good, solid drone. Skip this one if you're an experienced pilot who needs extensive manual controls. Overall, for the price, it's an impressive option. Now, if you're looking for something with more advanced features, the next product is definitely worth considering.
Product number 4, DJI FPV Remote Controller 3. Let's switch gears with the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3, usually priced around $189. This isn't a drone, but an essential tool for those who want to step into the world of FPV, first-person view, flying. If you want to experience flying from the drone's perspective, this is a must-have. What sets this remote apart is its advanced control features. It's lighter than previous versions, and the extended control sticks really enhance precision, making it easier to perform complex maneuvers. Plus, it's compatible with various simulators, which is great for practice without flying an actual drone. Some users noted that the adjustments for the control sticks can be a bit tricky to get right. I'll be real with you, this might be a deal breaker if you prefer straightforward controls, but for avid FPV flyers, the customization options really make it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you're into FPV flying and want a remote that gives you more control and versatility. Skip this if you're a casual user only looking for basic drone capabilities. It's a solid investment for serious hobbyists. Now, if you want to see a drone that's all about immersive experiences, the last product on my list is definitely going to impress. Product number 5, DJI Avata 360 Motion Fly More Combo. We have the DJI Avata 360 Motion Fly More Combo, which is priced at around $979. This drone is all about delivering an immersive flying experience and stunning 8K video capture. If you want to capture stunning visuals that tell a story, this is worth a serious look. Featuring 360-degree imaging and an integrated propeller guard, this drone allows you to fly confidently while capturing extraordinary footage. The 8K video quality means you can create professional-level content right from the sky. Plus, the 20-kilometer video transmission range gives you the freedom to explore vast landscapes without losing connection. However, some users have mentioned the learning curve associated with flying such advanced drones. If you're looking for something straightforward, this might frustrate you. But if you're willing to invest time to learn, the visual rewards are absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced user looking to create high-quality content with stunning visuals. Skip this if you're new to flying drones and want something simpler. It's a premium option, but the creative possibilities are endless. So, to wrap it up, we've looked at the Mini 4K for its ease of use, the Mini 3 for its vertical shooting capabilities, the Mini 3 Standard as a budget-friendly option, the FPV Remote Controller 3 for immersive flying, and the Avata 360 for those breathtaking 8K videos. Each drone has its strengths and weaknesses, but there's definitely something here for everyone. Choose based on your needs and go capture those amazing aerial shots.